Hello, welcome back, love. This is Laura.info 247. Lights for your day, power for your path. We are on day 4 of our 7-day journey, and today I just want to invite you to breathe, to slow down, to silence the noise. There's so much coming at us: notifications, opinions, comparisons, expectations, and in all that noise, it's easy to lose your own voice. But your soul, it doesn't shout, it whispers. And sometimes the only way to hear it is to step back from the volume of the world. So today, I want you to take just 10 minutes, no scrolling, no news, no background noise, just you and silence. It might feel uncomfortable at first, like, what am I even listening for? But in that stillness, you will start to hear things: clarity, peace, direction, God's nudge, your own heartbeat again. Because silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. You don't need to run to catch up with the word. You need to reconnect with yourself. So here's your challenge today. Take that moment, step away, breathe deeply, listen not to rehearse, but to receive. You don't have to do it all. You don't have to be everywhere. You just have to be here, present, grounded, whole. This is Laura.info 247. I'll meet you again tomorrow. But today, I hope you meet yourself in the silence. Thank you. Bye bye.